Hello, my name's also Don, and I was saw one of your trucks the other day. I'm a SEO website guy. I can rank websites to the top of Google, and I see an opportunity in Racine where your competitors' websites are not very strong. I can get you a website to the top of Google, and it would probably be another 50 to 100 people, according to my tools, they're probably stuck on the road looking for a tow truck company. But anyhow, I found your Facebook page, and I see your website doesn't even work. So I could build you another website, very professional, modern looking. I've done this for a few other places now, and I can rank them super fast and pretty much blow your doors off and ring your phone off the hook. It looks like there's about 50 to 100. There's probably over 200 people using just Google just to find a towing website to call. And so if that would help you out, I'm here for you. I do this for a living. I have no contracts. You can walk away anytime. Money back guarantee, 60 days, 90 days, whatever takes the stress away. So feel free to give me a try. And um, my name is Don again. So I'm gonna send this video over right away. Have a good day.